Hey y'all, so we're back and today I am doing, what is this? I guess it's not my everyday makeup, but it's the makeup I wear like when I know I have to put on like more than just my everyday makeup, I guess. Also, I'm gonna do my brow routine. I'm not gonna fast forward it this time because I told you guys in my last video how much I was liking the Lime Crime brow products. The color I have is Deep Dark 195. This is a bit dark for me, but I like it because then I don't have to contour as much. And I just bring it down my neck a little bit when I do it. So I'll show you guys how I do that. First, I'm just gonna brush them out with a spoolie. I go in reverse. I take the brow gel first, and I'm gonna show you how I kind of carve out my brow with just this. I go in with a precision pen and fill in any sparse areas. Very light-handed with this brush or this pen because it can get pretty like marker looking like very quickly. All done. Usually either between a Naked Heat or the Narvina palette or a mixture of both. So. So for my lid, you'll see I put down some concealer and I looked up. That was just to mark like where my lid touches, because if I don't do that, then my shadow from down here is just gonna transfer up there anyway. Okay, and that is it, y'all, for my go-to makeup. This is like go-to as far as like the steps I take. I'm not usually wearing purple eyeshadow, but if I know I have to put on makeup or if I'm going to put on makeup and going somewhere, I'm usually doing like a dark crease with a sparkly lid, sparkly inner corner, and some variation of this lip and highlight. So yeah, and I hope the brow tutorial was helpful. I know a lot of you had questions, like when I said I use the brow products in reverse, like what I meant by that. So I hope that was helpful. It's super quick in my book as far as like makeup. Like it usually takes me like maybe 30 minutes to get through this whole look if I'm not like stopping and looking at other stuff or whatever, maybe even less. But yeah. That's it, you guys. Everything will be linked below as usual. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow me on Instagram. And I will see you guys next time.